Hanging pot rack storage turns unused overhead volume into accessible storage so small homes can free up cabinet space. Choose the right ceiling-mounted pot rack by measuring ceiling height and island footprint and leave at least 30 inches of clearance above counters for safe reach. When installing, locate ceiling joists with a stud finder and fasten with lag screws or toggle anchors rated for the combined weight of cookware and rack hardware. For wall-mounted rails, use stainless steel S-hooks and space hooks so lids and handles do not overlap, and mount rails into studs or use heavy-duty anchors for masonry walls. Magnetic pot rails work best with ferrous metal cookware and offer a low-profile option. Test magnet strength with a single pan and add more magnets if you plan to hang multiple items. Fold down pot racks above the cooktop save headroom by pivoting to the wall when not in use. Install with friction hinges and limit reach to safe distances from heat sources. Vertical pan racks near the stove allow pans to slide in and out on slots or rails and are ideal for saving lateral cabinet space while keeping frequently used items within arm reach. Common problems start with racks installed without accounting for weight, which causes sagging or failure. Always calculate total cookware weight, add a safety margin of at least 50%, and attach directly to structural members or use rated anchors. Another issue is interference with lighting or ventilation, which can reduce functionality. Reposition the rack so it does not block hood airflow or swap to low-profile fixtures and root wiring or ductwork before final placement. A third frequent concern is damage to cookware finishes from metal-on-metal contact. Protect handles and surfaces with silicone sleeves, felt pads, or by using nylon S-hooks and arrange pieces to avoid rubbing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover hanging pot rack storage ideas and find local contractors who can measure, recommend hardware, and install ceiling or wall systems for small homes. We also help contractors list services, connect with nearby clients, and participate in our discussion community where both homeowners and professionals share tips and real-world installation experience.